Hey YouTube family, this is Shirley coming to you with an attempt to do a hairstyle. Mother's Day is fast approaching and I wanted to wear my natural hair out. And normally I try to look on Instagram to figure out what everyone is doing with their natural hair, what kind of styles, etc., etc. The majority of the time frame, a lot of people don't have my hair texture. It's other textures that claim that they're 4C, and evidently they don't know the difference between 4, B, C, F, G, X, Z. I'm not even sure who invented the idea of the letter and number, but I have very, very tightly coiled hair, and also very thick hair. So it's full in the back, light on the top, for the simple fact that I have alopecia because of the perms that I had years ago. It kind of burnt the scalp completely. It's right here in the center crown area. So now I actually unbraided all 6 of the twist out. I'm not gonna manipulate it too much because I'm gonna need it to stay for a couple of days. Just gonna show you the products that I'm actually going to be using. First, my hair still has the oils from the wash that I had this morning. And now I'm going to try to style it. So what I'm going to do is use this handmade whipping pudding that my white TBFF got me. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use this. And I'm probably going to use some kind of very low amount of gel. But I don't see the gel that I'm looking for. I do see the Ego. I think the other one's downstairs. It's by She Moisture, but I'll be using this one for now because I can't find the other one. Just for the edges. And I'll see what I'll come up with you guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the week, getting ready for work. I'm going to color my hair this time around. It's going to leave it the way it is. So I went and got this amount that I'm going to put towards the side. I'm going to just look at the actual mirror. Got another one for this side. I'll use this brush right here. Remember, I'm not going to manipulate it too much because I got to carry this over for a couple of days. Just trying to get as much of the edges as I can. So back. Right? Medusa. I used to be afraid of hearing that name when I was younger. I forgot if we're not supposed to look at her. I forgot what it was, but you turn into something. I don't know if you turn into stones or if you instantly died. That was one of my things I didn't want to hear when I was younger. That would frighten me, right? Now just doing this right here, I'm using just, this is a stocking cap from years ago that's black. That I just reused, but just this technique alone took forever for me to learn. Right? So now I gotta push the back up a little. Right? There we go. I'll tie it in the front. So I'm going to not comb this out today, maybe tomorrow for a different style. I'm gonna find one. Bobby pins be driving me crazy. I do feel it all day at work, so I don't be wanting to have so many because I'll get a headache, or I'll just know that it's there and that it's bothering me. Here we go. This is for work today. This is my simple, very fast 5 seconds, I would say. It's really quick. If you wanted to use your natural hair, really fast look. If you wanted to put a nice little bow, I have a lot of headbands, so you could top it off. This is something if you want to really be fancy about the whole ordeal, you could do that. Right? But I'm going to work, so I don't know. I don't want to be thinking, well, what in the world? That's for a fancy occasion, and this would be something that I would wear to work. And I'll put it right here. I try to be very minimum. I don't want to overdo it or over process my hair at this very moment. So this is one of the first styles I'll do for work without really irritating the hair yet. Maybe tomorrow I'll have it down. We'll see. But this is one of my regular looks that I do every day. This is the one that you guys probably see on Instagram the most. But yeah, easy, fast, and simple. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this simple task, this simple look of natural 4C hair that I have, that I technically would like to call 10Z. But I'll talk to you guys soon. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the month of May, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Love you.